The door closes and it's dark inside. I fall into the walls of my pain and it strains my heavy heart. I sink into the floors knee deep as my toes bleed and my teeth grit. The pain my heart feels drags me into this dark place, and I feel like I'm floating. No, I'm laden with the weight of this missing piece. Where are you? I'm dying inside and you aren't here. How do I hold myself together when all my pieces are falling apart? I'm tired. The door opens and the light comes in, and the bulbs of everyone's eyes checking if I'm okay, checking on me, or just registering the fact that you saw me and you asked. Of course I'm not okay. How can I be? I'm losing it right before your eyes because your eyes scream pity and I hate it. Leave me alone. Help me. Please stop trying to help. Stop asking how I'm doing. I'm dying. But wait, how do I say that? How do I show you the depth of my hurt when you force feed me God knows best, and weeping endures for the night but joy comes in the morning? Where is my morning? When my nights go on forever and I'm lost in the darkness of my mind and my heart is beating but I'm not alive. No, he's leaving me. In my mind I wonder, did he think about me before this happened? The valley, this shadow where darkness dwells and the scent of death haunts me. I know he's with me. Though it's scary, I know he goes before me. He's a good shepherd. He'll fix me. I'm sinking. I'm drowning, I'm falling apart. But I know